Good morning and welcome to Poland vlog. Well, I know this is Ireland, but we're going to Poland. So, welcome to the Poland travel vlog. We just got to the airport and I had to drive to the airport. And I'm so sad because now we have to leave my car here. I know it's not a Ferrari, but I don't want to leave it here. Okay. Bye. Can I cry now? What spot is it in? Zone Y. 7. Y7. Camera, remember, Y7. Let's go to Poland! You excited?
Yay!
Aaron's never been, and the 6 years that I'm with him, I always wanted him to go, and we never got around to doing it, so let's go. We're at my nanny's house now and we're going to be leaving to go to town in a couple of minutes with my cousin and everybody. So yeah, I'll bring you with me. So we just got to town and we're kind of just walking around looking where we want to go. There's Susan, you know Susan from my videos, and that's her friend. There's Aaron. So yeah, we're just kind of seeing where we want to walk, and yeah, that's everything really. It's really warm also, isn't it?
It is.
So nice. I'm not wearing a jacket or anything, so it's really cool. Oh my god. Whoa, that's really tall. Co pamiętam?
Pamiętasz, jak jechałyśmy z walizką na lotnisku i ona się co chwilę przewalała?
Nie.
Taka czerwona. Nie pamiętasz, jak leciałyśmy razem same?
Nie.
Pamiętasz?
Gdzie leciałyśmy? Do Polski? Czy do mnie?
Do Polski.
I don't know. Oh, there's a taxi coming. A my możemy iść drogą?
Taxi?
Okay.
Jedziesz go na zabić.
I don't think we can. Aaron's looking out for all of us. We were about to get killed by a taxi. Thanks.
I know I'm the tourist.
Love, thanks. Jesus. I'm looking up as if I'm in New York. I wish. Right, goodbye, because everybody's staring at me. There's a pirate ship. It says Gdańsk on it, look. Do you want to go on it? I think it's a restaurant. I think. I'm not totally sure, but it's cool. There's Susan and her friend with his suitcase because he's going home in a few. But it looks cool. Hi, Aaron. Hey. Hey. Loving life, are you? Do you want a picture against that? Against the black thing. So now we're on the main road. I think I said that we were on it already, but no, that was a side road. My bad. It's so warm. They're not bears, Aaron, it's dogs. The size of them, yeah. Oh, they're collecting money for dogs. It's cute. That's... Co to jest?
To jest ratusz.
Ratusz, whatever that means. What's... Oh, I was gonna ask you what that means. Is it...
City Hall?
City Hall. Look at her. Do we have city halls in Dublin? Nope. Do we? Okay. Well, there you go, City Hall. It's also pretty because of the tops of the buildings. I like it. Black jeans were not the way to go. That's all I'm gonna say. Hi. Where is he? Oh, there he is. He's leaving. See you later. Let's get some food now. How's that? We're eating these. And we have iced tea. So yeah. Good morning. So it's Poland day 2 and we just finished getting ready. I'm wearing this jumpsuit from BOWPOW and we're going to be getting a lift to the shopping centre. I'm not going to bring the camera with me just because I only have a small bag and it doesn't fit in it. But yeah, we're just going shopping basically. I have a spot. I woke up with a spot on here. And it looks like I'm very blue just because of the colours of the walls. But yeah, I'm just waiting on Aaron to be finished getting ready. Here's a little cat. Hey. Show them your face. Hello. So yeah, that's the plan, and then we're gonna get back and we're just gonna go for a walk. And yeah, that's everything. I'm gonna bring you with me when we're going on the walk though.